The 7 healthiest leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and bok choy are high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Adding a variety of greens to your diet may help boost brain health and lower your risk of heart disease, cancer, and high blood pressure. Leafy green vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber but low in calories. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens can offer numerous health benefits including reduced risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and mental decline. Here are 7 of the healthiest leafy green vegetables to include in your diet. Kale. Kale is considered one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on the planet due to its many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, 1 cup, 67 grams, of raw kale packs 684% of the daily value, DV, for vitamin K, 206% of the DV for vitamin A, and 134% of the DV for vitamin C. It also contains antioxidants such as lutein and beta-carotene, which reduce the risk of diseases caused by oxidative stress. To benefit most from all that kale has to offer, it's best consumed raw since cooking can reduce its nutrient profile. Kale is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins, particularly vitamins A, C, and K. To reap the most benefits, it's best eaten raw, as cooking reduces the nutritional profile of the vegetable. Microgreens. Microgreens are immature greens produced from the seeds of vegetables and herbs. They typically measure 1 to 3 inches, 2.5 to 7.5 centimeters. Since the 1980s, they have often been used as a garnish or decoration, but they have many more uses. Despite their small size, they're full of color, flavor, and nutrients. In fact, one study found that microgreens contain up to 40 times more nutrients compared to their mature counterparts. Some of these nutrients include vitamins C, E, and K. Microgreens can be grown in the comfort of your own home all year round, making them easily available. Collard greens. Collard greens are loose leaf greens, related to kale and spring greens. They have thick leaves that taste slightly bitter. They're similar in texture to kale and cabbage. In fact, their name comes from the word colewort. Collard greens are a good source of calcium and the vitamins A, B9, folate, and C. They're also one of the best sources of vitamin K when it comes to leafy greens. In fact, 1 cup, 190 grams, of cooked collard greens packs 1045% of the DV for vitamin K. Vitamin K is known for its role in blood clotting. In addition, more research is being done regarding its ability to improve bone health. Collard greens have thick leaves and are bitter in taste. They're one of the best sources of vitamin K, may reduce blood clots and promote healthy bones. Watercress. Watercress is an aquatic plant from the Brassicaceae family and thus similar to arugula and mustard greens. It's said to have healing properties and has been used in herbal medicine for centuries. However, no human studies have confirmed these benefits so far. Test tube studies have found watercress extract to be beneficial in targeting cancer stem cells and impairing cancer cell reproduction and invasion. Due to its bitter and slightly spicy flavor, watercress makes a great addition to neutrally flavored foods. Watercress has been used in herbal medicine for centuries. A few test tube studies suggest it may be beneficial in cancer treatment, but no human studies have confirmed these effects. Romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is a common leafy vegetable with sturdy, dark leaves with a firm center rib. It has a crunchy texture and is a popular lettuce, particularly in Caesar salads. It's a good source of vitamins A and K, with 1 cup, 47 grams, providing 82% and 60% of the DVs for these vitamins respectively. What's more, research in rats showed that lettuce improved their levels of blood lipids, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Further studies need to investigate these benefits in people. Romaine lettuce is a popular lettuce found in many salads. It's rich in vitamins A and K, and a study in rats suggests it may improve blood lipid levels. Arugula. Arugula is a leafy green from the Brassicaceae family that goes by many different names, such as rocket, colewort, roquette, rucola, and rucoli. It has a slightly peppery taste and small leaves that can easily be incorporated into salads or used as a garnish. It can also be used cosmetically and medicinally. Like other leafy greens, it's packed with nutrients such as pro-vitamin A carotenoids and vitamins B9 and K. It's also one of the best sources of dietary nitrates, a compound that turns into nitric oxide in your body. Though the benefits of nitrates are debated, some studies have found that they may help increase blood flow and reduce blood pressure by widening your blood vessels. Arugula is a leafy green vegetable that goes by several different names, including rocket and rucola. It's rich in vitamins and naturally occurring nitrates, which may help reduce blood pressure and improve blood flow. Turnip greens. Turnip greens are the leaves of the turnip plant, which is a root vegetable similar to beetroot. These greens pack more nutrients than the turnip itself, including calcium, manganese, folate and the vitamins A, C and K, 39. They have a strong and spicy flavor and are often enjoyed cooked rather than raw. Turnip greens are considered a cruciferous vegetable, which have been shown to decrease your risk of health conditions, such as heart disease, cancer and inflammation. Turnip greens also contain several antioxidants including gluconastortine, glucotropiolin, quercetin, myristin and beta-carotene, which all play a role in reducing stress in your body. Turnip greens can be used as a replacement for kale or spinach in most recipes. Turnip greens are the leaves of the turnip plant and are considered a cruciferous vegetable. Studies have found that they may decrease stress in your body and reduce your risk of heart disease, cancer and inflammation. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video informative.